Hello all women, I'm Ujwala gynecologist. I'm working at Virinchi Hospitals. Today I want to discuss about very important. It seems such a small primitive topic but it is very important. So it is not discussed that frequently. So what it is found in research that we should not hover when we are passing urine. Hovering means that not sitting completely on the toilet seat but standing in the mid-air and then trying to pass urine. Usually, women we do it in the public toilets, in the malls, etc. out of hygiene and sanitation issues. But it is found that in research this is not good for the health. In fact, it could be damaging the some of the pelvic floor muscles in long term. So there are a set of pelvic floor muscles. These are a group of muscles which are seen at the lowermost part of our body, and these muscles together collectively are supporting our uterus, the urinary and the motion areas. And these muscles have to be relaxed completely and properly, and then we are able to pass the urine properly and empty it completely. While standing and passing in the urine, like if we do in the public toilets, you are not emptying the urine properly and there is some urine left over, and this urine can get infected with bacteria and lead to the urinary tract infections. Also, while standing and passing urine, these muscles are not relaxed completely and properly. So there is a slight contraction of these muscles seen. This contraction relaxation, this a contradiction causes dysfunction of these muscles, means that when done repeatedly and frequently over a long term can cause disturbances in the function of these muscles and can damage them as well, and this can lead to something called incontinence. Incontinence means that having no control over passing urine. Some women tend to pass urine when they are laughing, sneezing, or even coughing. So that is called incontinence, like not having control of the urine. Because of these muscles being damaged, this is seen. So I hope that we do not hover while passing urine. In fact, we can completely clean the toilet seat with some wipes. There are sanitary wipes, there are sprays available, but we need to close the lid completely and flush properly. All these steps can be followed. Take care of your pelvic floor muscle health and it will help you in future. Thank you.